building a lab concept. In this video, we will discuss about concept of building a lab. In this course, I will show you how you can build your own lab at your own PC or at your own house. Sometimes learner try to perform ethical hacking step in his or her company's network, and that will down the entire company's network due to lacking of knowledge. So it is very important to understand how you can build your own lab and how you can isolate your own lab from company's network. With this course, you get hands-on practice. You deserve how to really learn the content. Right way doing it, building your own hands-on lab. So in this video, you might be look at some option we have in building a lab to provide environment for hands-on practice. And my friend, also equally important for keepers out of trouble. So let's begin discussion on lab idea with Suresh. You can look over here. Suresh is working on this laptop, and his laptop is connected with this switch, and switch is connected with the router, and router is connected with the firewall, and firewall is connected with the router, and router is connected with the internet. It is WAN connection. So it's a whole Suresh company's network. And Suresh want to perform some ethical hacking step in his laptop. He has no right to gather information of company's internal servers, company's firewalls information, company's switch information, because if Suresh accidentally tried to gather information about firewalls or internal server to learn something from this course, and without knowledge of ethical hacking, without proper knowledge of ethical hacking, might be it will down entire networks. So it is very important to build own lab in his laptop and isolate his lab from this entire network. So in this video, I will show you how Suresh will build his own lab into his laptop. So let's begin. You can see over here, it's a Suresh PC, and Suresh has installed a Windows 8 operating system in his laptop, and in Windows 8, he has installed a VMware Workstation, and in VMware Workstation, he installed virtual machine for Windows servers, Kali Linux operating system, Windows-based hosts like Windows 8, Windows 7, Metasploit, and OS BWA. So these are VMs. It's installed for performing ethical hacking's practicals. So Suresh wants to isolate these VMs from physical network. So you can see this is a physical network of Suresh company, and it has subnet 192.168.0.0. Suresh installed VM into VMware Workstation software. So Suresh will create VMNet1. It's a virtual network of VMware Workstation. And VMNet1 is a virtual network of this VMware Workstation. So it will connect all the VMs to the VMNet1. VMNet1 has a different network than 192.168.0.0. If Suresh want to communicate a VM to the physical network, he will create bridge to the 192.168.0.0. So it has one LAN card and it has IP address of 192.168.0.xyz. So if Suresh has two LAN card, he can create different physical network also. Like he has another LAN card, he can create 10.0.0.0 network for LAN card 1, or he can create 192.168.0.0 for LAN card 2. So using VMware Workstation, we can isolate our network from physical network, so it will not damage accidentally to our existing network infrastructure of our company or our own work network. So in the next video, we will see how we can use VMware Workstation to isolate the VM network from our physical networks. Building a lab concept. In this video, I will discuss about how we can build networking in VMware Workstation environment. So let's begin. First, we will discuss about VMnet. So think this is a machine of Suresh and is connected with the physical network. And physical network address is 192.168.0.0. This Suresh machine has multiple VMnet like VMnet 1, VMnet 2, and VMnet 3. It has Kali box. And this VM is associated with the VMnet 1. And VMnet 1 has address 10.0.0.0. And VMnet 2 has 10.1.0.0. And VMnet 3 has 10.2.0.0. In short, every different VMnet has different network address. And it has also VMnet 0 and it's connected to the physical network, means it connected as a bridge. Means VM is connected with VMnet 0 and VMnet 0 is connected with the bridge. So VM is communicate with the physical network using VMnet 0. Like A is equal to B and B is equal to A. So bridging provide communication with the physical network for VMs and virtual networks. So in this video, now we will discuss about how we can assign VM to the network. Here you can see I opened VMware Workstation. You can see version of VMware Workstation from Help menu. Go to the About VMware Workstation. It will show you version information and license information status. If you want to create VM network, go to the Edit and click on this Virtual Network Editor option. It will open Virtual Network Editor. You can see I have VMnet 0, VMnet 1, and VMnet 8. VMnet 8 is a netting device. It's a NAT, and a VMnet 1 is a host-only network, and VMnet 0 is a custom. If you want to edit this VM network, just click on Change Setting. So you can see we can edit now. Now VMnet 0 is connected with as a bridge, means we can connect this VMnet 0 to the physical adapter of this machine. Like I have a multiple network interface card, like I have wireless LAN card or Ethernet LAN card. So if you want to connect this BMNet 0 or with the wireless, or you can select Intel dual band wireless LAN card. And if you want to connect BMNet 0 as a NAT, select NAT option over here. We cannot change to the NAT because we have already BMNet 8 and it's a type of NAT. So we first remove NAT from BMNet 8 and then we can change BMNet 0 from bridge to the NAT. If you want to change to the host only network, just click on host only, and this BMNet 0 will use a 192.168.35.0 network. And if you click on this, it will enable DHCP, means when you associate this BMNet 0 to any VM, so it will assign DHCP address to the VM from this range. But it's necessary to click on this button. And if you want to connect this BMNet 0 to the host virtual adapter, just click on connect a host virtual adapter to this network. Means when you create VM, so it will connected with the BMNet 0. So just click on BMNet 0, and now you can select other option if you want. So I hope you understand how we can assign our BMNet to the bridge or NAT or host only. So let me create one VM network. Just click on add network. You can create from this drop down menu, select BMNet 2 and click on OK. So it will create host only network, and it has this network 192.168.221.0 and apply, and then OK. Now you can see I have Kali Linux box, and these are the settings, initial setting of this VM. Just click on network adapter, and now you can change from this drop down menu. If you want to give BMNet 0 to this virtual machine, just select BMNet 0 is a host only and click on OK. So if I am going to change BMNet 0 to the apply, then OK. So Kali Linux box will now able to connect with the physical network of this machine because BMNet 0 is associated with the bridge network. You can also change bridge for this VM from this button. Just select bridge connected directly to the physical network. So I hope you understand very well. So thank you for watching this video.